morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today I am at Fair Hill Nature Center. We're going to ride some trails. When I got to the parking lot, it was super crowded. Lots of people hiking, a couple mountain bikers, and a bunch of horses. So I just decided to ride down the trail a little bit to start my intro video. But let's hit the trails and have some fun. You don't get any good downhills without some good uphills, that's for sure. They're short but steep.
How you doing, bud?
Doing well. How you guys doing?
Great, great.
Good. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Good weather.
Yes, sir. Have a good ride.
You too. Thank you.
think this is where I want to turn off. Let's check the map. Yep. There's a fox down that trail. Yep, there he goes. I don't know if you guys can see him. He just saw me and took off back up the trail. Alright, this one says it's the dump trail. Never heard of it. It says they can't take horses on it. I don't know if that just means it's tough or... So we'll find out. Oh yeah, it's really tight. I don't think horses could get through here. Good morning. Good morning to you too.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How you guys
need
doing?
one of these, don't you?
No, I really don't. Yep. Good morning. Yep. Hi.
But this crew is usually used to everything.
Okay. I don't take a chance.
Oh, you're better off.
I enjoy watching them walk by. That's it. That's what I really like about Fair Hill. You got a lot of ups and downs. You got a lot of cool stream crossings, some logs to go over, just a little bit of everything. It's really neat riding here. Stream's full of horse poop. That's always fun too. Alright, so apparently I stumbled upon an equestrian event that was kind of blocking the trail that I was going to go down. So unfortunately the ride is going to end with a little bit of road riding. So I had to come out onto the road to finish up. I'll see you guys at the Jeep. Alright everybody, I'm back from Fair Hill, back home, and it was a beautiful day to go riding. Saw lots of people out hiking and saw tons of horses. Didn't know there was an equestrian event going on, so that kind of derailed our plans to finish up the trails. But it was still a good ride and a lot of good scenery out there. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the trails next time.